Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today, we're going to talk about how to get a credit card with no credit check, no hard inquiry. From a store credit card, a primary trade line. That's right, there's always more than one way to skin a cat. So, Tifosi Optics, check. Stop Struggling Now hoodie and gear, check. And welcome. And please, like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. You can see now that we're on the Stop Struggling Now YouTube channel. And I want to thank again everybody who subscribes, who shares the information. And also, as usual, notice the join button to support the channel. You get special emojis, get special chat icons. So thank you again everybody for your support. And now we're on to how you can get a credit card with no hard inquiry from Victoria's Secrets. And since Victoria's Secrets is about merchandise, let's go to the Stop Struggling Now merchandise page. So if anybody's interested in getting some gear, here's our page at the StopStrugglingNow.com website, and you can order your merch here. No tax, no sales tax, free shipping. The price you see is the only price you pay. So without further ado, I'm going to take you over to where I recorded the screen for how you're going to order using Victoria's Secrets so you can get a credit card without a hard inquiry, without even ordering the items. So just keep in mind, you're going to have to go to start this off. You use Chrome and you go to the drop down menu where you see new incognito window. And from this incognito window, we're going to go to Victoria's Secrets website. This is how you have to start. Okay? So let's go. All right, as you can see, we're sitting here on the VictoriasSecrets.com website. And if you have anybody that doesn't like to see women in lingerie or think it's a little bit too risque as I scroll through some of these pages, now would be a good time to exit, because they do show women with bathing suits, yoga gear, bra and panties, and a couple of video spots here. But anyhow, what I'm going through here is, again, I was going to make a video on how to do this, so I was just doing it. And then I realized after I would have done it, then I would have already been approved, so it may not have acted the same. So this is why I'm doing a voiceover. And you see what I'm doing here is I'm adding 100, 107, 117, whatever. I'm just trying to get over $100. So you'll see me going through this. Not saying that you need to order $100, but I figured I would just go over the $100 mark, because typically that's what you need to order a lot of times. Such in the case of a My Jewelers Club for a primary trade line, New Coast Direct primary trade line, Ox Publishing, Hutton Chase. I'll have links down below for all those trade lines so you can get your debt utilization correct. And that helps out because you want to be under 29% for your debt utilization, and normally for FICO you want to be under 9% or less. You want your debt utilization to be under that number, and those are the 4 primary trade lines that can help you. Now what we're doing here with Victoria's Secret is you're going to be able to get a primary trade line without a credit check, without a hard inquiry. So therefore this is a very good thing. Now there's other companies that do this as well. This is all about when you check out at the shopping cart, what'll come up, you have to be in incognito mode on Chrome. And then what will come up is the screen that you'll see at the end here where it'll say, okay, you are approved for a card, and if you want to apply. So that's all I'm trying to say. This is a great way to get a primary trade line, and it's not that hard. Now, this only works if you already have a credit file, meaning that you have a credit card, a car, or some way that you already have a credit file, because they're going to check by your name and address. They're going to do a soft inquiry. They're not doing a hard, they'll do a soft inquiry, which a lot of companies do. So those people who have great credit or excellent credit, this is why you get items in the mail, because they see your credit is good from a soft inquiry. So then that's why you get these. Here, you want a credit card for $15,000 or a credit card for $10,000. That's where that comes from. And the same goes for people who have decent credit. Once you get into the decent credit range, you'll get credit card offers in the mail, and that's where they get it from, a soft inquiry. So you can see here on the screen, I'm continuing shopping, and also you do not have to sign up with Victoria's Secrets. In other words, sign in. You can do this as a guest. As you'll see, I'll be clicking on the as a guest when I get my order together, as I'm scrambling around trying to pick something that's within $105, $120, something of that nature. So eventually, I don't recall if I give up or what I was trying to do, but nonetheless, let's get back to the credit situation. Now, everybody knows after all of the credit videos, you should have everything up to par on how you can improve your credit score. And as you can see here, we're going to check out as a guest. If you haven't seen a video on how to repair your credit or how to improve your credit score, I'll put a link down in the description to one of my previous videos that you can go check out. And I'll even include where you can email me for sample letters and sample dispute letters, and I'll help you out that way. And everybody, remember, if you're going to dispute anything on your credit report, you have to freeze LexisNexis, Innovis, and SageStream, all three of them. So we check out here, and as you can see, checkout as a guest is coming up, and I believe this is about where this is the screen that's going to come up is your address, that you must put that information in just like normal, because they got to find you somehow. That's why you need a credit file. If you do not have a credit file, what do? You will not be approved for this. So you got to go to optinoptout.com and get your name into the database where somebody, such as when they do a soft inquiry, you can be recognized. It's that simple. I'll try and put a link down in the description for that as well, so that way you can go over there and get handled. So I won't show my information, but now you can see after you put your information in, you choose your delivery. You can see I got 107, and this is the screen that comes up. You've been pre-approved for the Angel credit card with the credit limit of $350, and then it asks me to pick the card design, and so I choose the doggy on the right, and then you accept, and that's it. There's nothing more to do in reality. After you accept, then it'll just say, okay, welcome. You'll see right here what it says, and it's that simple, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. You're pre-approved. And so they're asking, for some other information, and that was it. And then at the end of this, what's going to happen, even though you are pre-approved, notice they accept your pre-approved Angel card and earn rewards, most likely you will receive a letter from Community Bank, and it's going to ask for you to provide them or send them in the mail the front and back of your driver's license or ID and front and back of your Social Security card to verify it's you, and you're going to have to mail it back to them. And remember, it's going to be time sensitive. So that's it. that simple. Hopefully this helps out greatly for everybody that needs it. A new primary trade line. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed this Victoria's Secrets moment, and hopefully good luck on applying, because not everybody, nothing's 100% these days, and considering the pandemic and the state of affairs, maybe they will change the way they accept people. You just never know, because credit changes when the economy goes bad. So anyhow, with all that said, thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here. That's why we're trying to get extra income. That's why I go over creating wealth by buying stocks, selling stocks even. That's why I go over how to earn additional money, and that's why you should go to Emerging Millionaires at our Facebook group, because there's help there as well. There's tools that you can use to get started on making money while you sleep, making money online, making money while you're on vacation. You're going to need extra streams of income going forward from this day on. Do not think that you can just work your job without investing or without making additional income over the next 10, 15, 20 years. It's not going to happen. You're not going to be in a financial situation, so you have to save and protect. Save and put money somewhere that you can make money. Whatever it takes, as long as it's legal. With that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.